In a world where e-commerce is taking over, it's time for you to step up your game and start your own dropshipping business. In this video, we're going to share 15 game-changing tips to start dropshipping in 2023. From niche selection to influencer marketing, we've got you covered. So, get ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level. Let's get started. Welcome back to Double Z. If you're a beginner looking to start your own e-commerce business, then you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and see how you can start your own successful dropshipping business. Number 1. Niche down further. The first way to start dropshipping is to niche down further. If your chosen niche is too broad, consider narrowing it down further. Instead of selling pet products in general, you could focus on a specific breed of dog, like pugs. By doing so, you'll be able to provide more specific products to a more targeted audience. Number 2. Sell private label products. The second way to start dropshipping is to sell private label products. Instead of selling products from AliExpress, you could create your own private label products. If you're in the skincare niche, you could create your own line of skincare products with unique packaging and branding. This way, you'll be able to differentiate yourself from competitors and build a stronger brand. Number 3. Use a print-on-demand service. The third way to start dropshipping is to use a print-on-demand service. You could use a print-on-demand service to create your own custom products, like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You could use Printful to create custom t-shirts with your own designs. This way, you'll be able to offer unique and personalized products to your customers. Number 4. Offer free shipping. The fourth way to start dropshipping is to offer free shipping. Offering free shipping can be a great way to attract more customers. You could set a minimum order value for free shipping, like $50. This way, customers will be encouraged to add more products to their cart in order to qualify for free shipping. Number 5. Use upsells and cross-sells. The fifth way to start dropshipping is to use upsells and cross-sells. When a customer adds a product to their cart, you can offer them related products as upsells or cross-sells. If they're buying a phone case, you could offer them a screen protector as an upsell. This way, you'll be able to increase the value of each customer's order. Number 6. Build an email list. Collecting email addresses from your customers and prospects can help you stay in touch with them and promote your products. You could offer a free guide or ebook in exchange for their email address. This way, you'll be able to build a relationship with your audience and keep them engaged with your brand. Number 7. Use retargeting ads. Retargeting ads can help you reach customers who have visited your store but haven't made a purchase yet. You could run Facebook ads targeting people who have visited your store but haven't bought anything. This way, you'll be able to bring them back to your store and increase your chances of making a sale. Number 8. Offer a loyalty program. A loyalty program can encourage repeat purchases from your customers and increase their lifetime value. You could offer a discount or free product for every X number of purchases, or you could create a point system where customers earn points for each purchase that they can redeem for rewards. To create a loyalty program, you can use apps and plugins like Loyalty Lion, Smile.io, or Yotpo. These tools make it easy to set up and manage a loyalty program for your online store. Number 9. Use influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers in your niche can help you reach a wider audience. If you're in the fitness niche, you could partner with fitness influencers to promote your products. You could offer them a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate link. This way, you'll be able to tap into their audience and potentially drive more sales. Number 10. Offer a money-back guarantee. The 10th and final way to start dropshipping is to offer a money-back guarantee. Offering a money-back guarantee can help reduce the risk for your customers and increase trust in your store. You could offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on all your products. This way, customers will feel more confident about their purchase and be more likely to buy from your store. Number 11. Use influencer marketing. You can find influencers in your niche with large followings and pay them to promote your products. If you're selling fitness equipment, you could partner with fitness influencers on Instagram or YouTube to promote your products. This way, you'll be able to reach a larger audience and potentially drive more sales. Number 12. Optimize for mobile devices. Optimizing your website for mobile devices is another way to start dropshipping. More and more people are shopping on their phones and tablets, so it's important to make sure your website is mobile-friendly. You could use a responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes or make sure your checkout process is streamlined for mobile users. This way, you'll be able to provide a better user experience and potentially increase your conversion rates. Number 13. Utilize chatbots. Using chatbots on your website is another way to start dropshipping. Chatbots can provide instant customer service and support, which can help increase customer satisfaction and reduce the number of abandoned carts. You could set up a chatbot on your website to answer common questions, provide product recommendations, or even process orders. This way, you'll be able to provide a better customer experience and potentially increase your sales. Number 14. Utilize customer reviews. Utilizing customer reviews is another way to start dropshipping. Reviews and ratings can provide social proof and increase trust in your store. You could use a review platform like Yotpo or Trustpilot to collect and display customer reviews on your website. This way, potential customers will see real feedback from people who have purchased and used your products. Number 15. Focus on SEO. Focusing on SEO is another way to start dropshipping. Search engine optimization can help you rank higher in search engine results and drive more organic traffic to your website. You could optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, create content around your niche, and build backlinks from reputable websites. This way, you'll be able to attract more potential customers and increase your chances of making a sale. That's it for today's video on how to start dropshipping in 2023. We hope you found these 15 tips helpful and informative. If you're interested in learning more about e-commerce and entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to Double Z for more videos like this.